Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best HID headlights you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best HID headlights in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Demex D3S HID headlight bulbs. This Demex headlight combination of premium features and an affordable Demex D3S HID headlight conversion kit is hands down one of the best on the market. Xenon Pro's HID bulbs are rated at up to 3,800 lumen of output per pair, making them as much as 2.5 times brighter than factory halogen bulbs. Replacement for stock D3S HID headlights only, does not fit if your car has stock halogen LED headlight, 100% quartz anti-UV glass, excellent in performance. Up to 3,800 lumens more brighter than original standard HID bulb. High quality xenon gas and APL pills, tungsten metal electrode. Increase 50 meters irradiation distance, gain 4.5 seconds more brake reaction time. Our second best HID headlights is Sino Parcel D1S Xenon HID headlight. The light is same as OEM bulb and is like the sun, also make the driver more comfortable. Scientific design can reduce the chance of rain leakage and short circuit. Produces light up to 3 times than halogen bulb. Lumen of HID is up to 3200 lm while lumen of halogen lamp is 800 lm, and lower watts. Lightened by tungsten filament, the lifespan of the bulb is 5 times than the halogen bulb with only more stable light output. Enter trim of your vehicle to confirm the fitment. Important is those HID bulbs are only for replacement of your stock D1S or DS1 bulb, not for halogen bulb even if it shows fit. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Torchbeam D3S HID headlight bulb. The German Xenon HID lighting control system will help keep the bulbs bright and extend the life of bulbs, minimal light decay. The aluminum construction of the base and the quartz glass tube that makes the light more stable, excellent performance in most extreme conditions. Filled with German high purity xenon gas, 35 watts brings 300% brightness of 65 watts halogen bulbs. Even when traveling in the suburbs at night, it can clearly illuminate road signs or animals to avoid danger in time. 6000 K color temperature design, show about 10% blue under the effect of luminescence factor, which is cleaner and brighter than the traditional 4300 K dim yellow. The vision of driving at night is clearer. Equipped with a precise positioning ring, so that the bulb is in the best position in the reflective bowl. The bulb reaches its brightest level after a few seconds of lighting. Please confirm your car is HID assembly to avoid unable installation. IP67 aluminum shell prevents rain and snow from infiltrating, cause bulb short circuit, and isolates the heat from the engine in case burning out. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Philips Xenon HID headlight bulb. Philips is arguably the most well-known brand when it comes to HID headlights. In fact, Philips is the inventory of Xenon HID technology and various automakers use the company's HIDs as standard equipment on their vehicle. That's also a reason why Philips Xenon standard bulbs are one of the most popular available on the market. Each Philips Xenon standard HID headlight bulb comes with an original equipment quality seal for the most reliable performance and is DOT compliant. Each Philips Xenon standard bulb is rated differently depending on the application. For example, the D1S and D2R bulbs are rated at 85 volts and 35 watts, with the D1S offering 3350 lumens at a 4200 K color temperature. The D2R meanwhile is rated at 3000 lumens with the same color temperature. Make sure when you're comparing different products that you refer to the manufacturer's websites for specifications, rather than relying on the retailer's website for accurate information. Last in our best HID headlights list is Nylite D2S HID Xenon headlight. This headlight features excellent brightness. D2S HID bulbs feature a 6000K diamond white, and its light output is 150% brighter than other bulbs for brilliant downward reflection. D2S HID headlight bulbs reach the high production standard and perfect final inspection, providing a service life of 3000 hours for long-lived illumination. Double check your vehicle headlight type. D2S HID headlight bulb only compatible with HID headlight assembly, not halogen headlights. 40% more mitigation compared to other bulbs. With super focused and bright beam, it produces a high concentration of light. The glass tube of the HID headlight bulbs directly, otherwise it will affect the lifespan and brightness. Please use cotton gloves when installing the D2S bulb. For details, let's watch more.